sponsor an exclusive banking partner offering home loans and special offers. And our CGM is going to announce today the offer which we are going to place for the 3 days in his presentation, in his speech. Down here they are supporting us for this Fair Pro. So Fair Pro is going to happen on 20th, 21st and 22nd of February at Chennai Trade Center new building. For public it is open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on all the 3 days. So now we are coming to brand ambassador. So this year we bought actress Kirti Suresh welcomed actress Kirti Suresh as a brand ambassador for Falco 2026.
எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஃப்ரீ அட்வைஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. வீடு வாங்க போறீங்கன்னு சொன்னா போதும், உங்களுக்கு எக்கச்சக்க ஃப்ரீ அட்வைஸ் கொடுக்க ஃபேமிலி, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ், கொலீக்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ரெடியா இருப்பாங்க. கிரெடிபிள் டெவலப்பரோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி தான் வாங்கணும், லொகேஷன் அண்ட் அம்யூனிட்டிஸ் நல்லா இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஆனா வீடு வாங்குறதுங்கிறது ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய லைஃப் டெசிஷன். அதனால no free advice, only fair advice. Choose Credai Fair Pro to get fair deals and fair prices on the widest selection of apartments, villas, plots and commercial properties. Credai Fair Pro, February 20, 21 and 22. Namma Chennai Trade Center la. Fair advice na adu eppovume Fair Pro da.
Post this 3 days, lot of follow-ups were there and it has surpassed
to 6 press meet. I take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the significant role builders fraternity in strengthening and promoting the real estate ecosystem in Tamil Nadu. State Bank of India shares a long and valued association with Credai, Chennai. And this year marks our 9th year of our partnership. Over the years, our collaboration has strengthened significantly, reflecting not only mutual trust, but also the robust sustained growth witnessed in the housing sector. I am proud to state that this is the first time SBI is participating not only as the title sponsor, but also as the exclusive banking partner, being the only bank at Credai Fair Pro 2026. This demonstrates the depth of our association and reinforces SBI's leadership in housing finance. Over the last 2 years, SBI has demonstrated strong and consistent growth in home loan segment, both nationally and within the Chennai circle. Across Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, SBI operates through 1,266 branches and 32 home loan centers, supported by specialized home loan sales teams and builder relationship teams. On an average, we sanction nearly 3,000 crore of home loans every month, with disbursement of approximately 2,500 crores, reflecting consistent and strong business momentum. We expect additional growth of nearly 3,000 crore during February from public sector banks in Tamil Nadu and in Puducherry, and about approximately 34% overall market share among all banks in the state. This is as per the SLBC data of 31st of December. We continue to retain our number 1 position in terms of highest number of housing loans and loan volumes, reaffirming the strong customer place in SBI.
With Credai as an exclusive banking partner for the Credai Fair Pro on 20th, 21st and 22nd of February at Nandambakam Trade Center. Please do visit. This is SBI has as a trusted partner for its customers. We trusted transparent partner and wishes to fulfill the dreams of home buyers, new home buyers, the first time buyers especially, who are young, and there's a huge concessions being provided by the bank in processing charges 30% and in rate of interest from 7.10% for civil related scores. So the best score gets 7.1% and so on. Please do take advantage of this Fair Pro. Visit us on 20th, 21st and 22nd of February for on-the-spot sanction and getting concessions in interest rates and processing charges. Thank you.